If you are using the Gemini CLI, managing your Auth0 tenants just got a whole lot easier thanks to this Gemini extension. What does that mean? It means that now you can install and use the Auth0 MCP server directly through the Gemini CLI and manage your Auth0 tenants, applications, and APIs right from your Gemini session. This extension does three key things. One, it makes the Auth0 MCP server discoverable on the official Gemini extensions page. Two, it provides a simple installation command plus built-in /commands to log in, log out, and to check your session. And three, it automatically loads Auth0 specific context into your Gemini, so the AI understands your Auth0 environment right out of the box. Let me show you how easy it is. First, install the extension with one command, Gemini extensions install, and pass it along the Auth0 MCP server URL. Once installed, you can use /commands like Auth0 init to set up the Auth0 MCP server. Gemini will take care of running the server for you, and you'll be automatically prompted to confirm the device and pick your tenant. After you complete the login, Gemini will have full context about your Auth0 tenant. Don't forget to refresh the MCP servers list with the MCP refresh command. And then you'll be able to ask questions like, show me my applications, or create a new API, and it just works. If you're working with Auth0 and want to streamline your workflow, check out the Auth0 MCP Server extension at the Gemini CLI extensions page, and check out the linked video below for more on the Auth0 MCP Server. Happy coding!